When it comes to your roof installation and repairs, it is important for you to hire a certified roofer to ensure your home is getting the coverage it needs. When you're in need of a new roof, you want your repairs or installation to be done fast and efficiently. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the quality of your roof repairs. Hiring a certified roofer can ensure that your replacement will be done by an experienced professional using the best resources available to them. At Nice Shingles Roofing, we do written proposals that are accurate and detailed to eliminate any surprises. These proposals will ensure that you know exactly what you're getting and how much your roof replacement will cost. We also use quality materials from our nails to our shingles to ensure that you are getting only the best for your new roof. We also have a 10-year workmanship warranty written into the proposal. Because we are certified installers for major shingle manufacturers, we are able to offer 50-year non-prorated warranties. Hire a certified roofer and have a stress-free roof replacement so you can focus on what matters most. If you want it done once, the right way, call Nice Shingles Roofing for roofing services you won't regret.